Hi, this is Vijay Sinha from ERTHPOT, and today I would like to tell you about the new microphone, which is the VC1. It's the vocal condenser microphone meant for professional applications like stage, studio, or house of worship, or classrooms, or any professional application that you think about. So let's see what we have in the box here. So this microphone box has a product information sheet and a carry case, a warranty certificate, a clamp so that you can put it in your mic stand, and that's it. And let's open up the case here. This is the carry case. Here is the mic. So yeah, the new VC1 vocal condenser microphone. This, of course, the very high quality rugged metal body with a steel mesh grill that you can see. This microphone has a wide frequency response from 50 Hz to 20 kHz. And within that, exact vocal frequency range, which is 500 to 3000 Hz, is exactly tailored for vocal frequency response. And that part is totally flat. That's why this is specially designed for vocal responses. Now, this microphone, apart from the rugged metal structure that you can see outside, it's a complete brass construction body. You can see here, and a side slots for side rejection, which gives the correct cardioid polar pattern for this vocal microphone. This microphone is meant for people who are in professional audio applications that I have told you already. To know more about this, please contact us through our YouTube channel or through our website. Thank you so much. This is Vijay Sinha.